Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the following numbers in index notation. The good thing is that they already given us in index form, index notation. So for part A, the cube root of 2 power 3 times 19 power 6. Actually, we are trying to break this 2 power 3 times 19 power 6 into 3 groups. Because there are 3. 2 times 2 times 2 and 19 power 2 times 19 power 2 times 19 power 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, yes. And so the final answer, the root will be this. So that's the pattern. So if you use this pattern, we can then easily find part B. Is simply the cube root of 3 power 4, 12. I can break them down into 3 groups of 4. 9 groups of 5. I can easily break down into 3 groups of 3. And therefore, the answer will be 3 power 4 times 5 power 3 in index form, index notation. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. With that, thank you for watching and have a nice day.